It has been a while since I painted a painting this big without any pressure, so I wanted to make something that was fun and relaxing. When I think of things that relax me, the first thing that I think of is the color blue, like the sky. The second thing I think of is grass fields, so maybe the color green. I also think of cats and fish, like a pond. So I think of goldfish and koi fish. I also think of alligators, but that might be my anxiety speaking. Lately, I have been scrolling through Pinterest a lot to look for home decor, and I have been really liking the decor of painted walls like patterns. So maybe I want to add a border or something like that. The conclusion I am coming to is that I maybe need to immerse myself in nature more. I have been on my phone lately, so I think painting nature will be kind of like immersing myself in it. After finishing the sketch, I was a little overwhelmed and unsure of what to add or change, so I took a break, and when I came back with fresh eyes, I actually really liked it. I have to remember that I'm making this for fun, and it doesn't have to prove anything. I'm making this for me, so I just need to enjoy the process. Can you guys believe I found this container at the dollar store? It fits all my brushes and I'm able to change the size of the containers. I started out by adding a few washes of color just to figure out what colors I wanted to be using. I had no idea what I was doing as I painted. I was just picking random colors and seeing what colors looked good where, and that's how I found my color palette for this painting. I wanted to add another flower to make it look like the kitty was playing with it and dropped it in the water. Also, the kitty just happens to be Nova, our oldest kitty. To try adding gouache just to see what it would look like and experiment. I have never tried combining watercolor and gouache together, so I just wanted to see what would happen. At this point, I started to realize that the watercolor and gouache were a little too opaque to hide the pencil markings. And yeah, next time I make a painting, I'm not gonna use pencil to make like the underdrawing because it's really hard to hide. I might use color pencil instead or something lighter, but yeah, lesson learned. I wanted to try using acrylic gouache to hide the pencil markings. I first tried it out with the flower vase and I really liked how it looks. Leftover yellow paint on my palette, so I decided to give it a try on the little birds as well. So far, I'm liking it. Day 2 of painting, and I finally decided to stick with acrylic gouache. I think it's the best alternative to hide the pencil marks. How I had painted Novita, but I wanted to add some more definition, so I went in with some darker colors. Was one of the most satisfying things to paint. It felt so nice cleaning up all the edges, hiding all the pencil marks. I feel like this step definitely brought the whole piece together. Slowly coming to an end, and I realized that I hadn't finished painting the little fish's lips. So that's what I'm gonna do before I finish the day off. Day 3, yay! I'm finally gonna finish today. I decided to go in with some color pencils to finish the little details. I like the idea of using color pencils because I feel like it would bring in some texture to the paint. I tested it out with the fish's eyeballs and I really liked how it looked, so I just continued on from there. Let's get this painting finished. that I chose to use the color pencils. It definitely gives the acrylic paint a beautiful effect and texture. Also, my sister and I have an Etsy store if you guys wanted to check it out. We sell t-shirts, sweaters, polymer clay pens, and keychains and stickers. I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!